Today is September 25. Hello everyone, this is Daily US Stock News by Kyle, bringing you the latest stock market updates every day. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. China announces significant measures to stimulate its economy, sending Chinese stocks broadly higher. The three major indices posted small collective gains. Chip stocks, led by Nvidia, surged across the board, while credit services fell, dragged down by Visa. Today, China unveiled a series of comprehensive stimulus measures, focusing on a broad-based interest rate cut, including the reserve requirement ratio, RRR, mortgage rates, and down payment requirements. These measures aim to revive the sluggish economy, boost China's silver demand, stabilize the real estate market, and restore investor confidence. One of the most notable measures is the establishment of a 500 billion renminbi swap facility, which simplifies processes, lowers valuation restrictions, and introduces new guidelines. This initiative aims to allow securities firms, insurance companies, and non-banking financial institutions, NBFIs, to increase their leverage in stock investments, encouraging broader market participation. Another measure involves a 300 billion renminbi targeted refinancing provided by the People's Bank of China, PBOC, to support banks in offering loans to listed companies and shareholders. These funds, offered at a rate of 2.25%, are designed to assist with stock buybacks and purchases. According to Bank of America, these measures should benefit the market in the short term and help brokers avoid forced liquidation, but they will also strengthen the ties between banks and the stock market. The Chinese government has provided lightning-fast policy support for the economy, and the tense situation in the Middle East is pushing oil prices higher. Despite ongoing discussions about transitioning to renewable energy, OPEC predicts that global oil demand will increase significantly by 2050, reaching over 120 million barrels per day. This projection is driven by strong demand from non-OECD countries. As demand continues to grow in non-OECD regions and the need for oil infrastructure investments persists, oil demand is expected to remain strong in the coming decades. While renewable energy is on the rise, OPEC believes oil will continue to play a crucial role in meeting global energy needs for the foreseeable future. Grain prices for wheat and corn rose on Monday, supported by weather risks and U.S. export inspections exceeding expectations. There are concerns that drought may hinder soybean planting in Brazil, and skepticism about U.S. soybean harvest forecasts has led to continued short covering. After the PBOC announced its stimulus measures, commodity prices strengthened, providing additional support for soybeans. China is the world's largest soybean importer, and palm oil competes with soybean oil in the vegetable oil market. Facebook's parent company, Meta Platforms, has decided not to join the EU's AI agreement for the time being. This agreement is a temporary measure ahead of the full implementation of the EU's Artificial Intelligence Act. The EU AI Act, agreed upon by lawmakers in May this year, will implement groundbreaking regulations on the creation and use of AI within the EU. Under this upcoming legislation, companies will be required to disclose the data used to train their AI models. Payment giant Visa saw its stock price drop by 5.5% today following negative news. The U.S. Department of Justice is preparing to file an antitrust lawsuit against the company, accusing it of anti-competitive behavior and illegally monopolizing the U.S. debit card market. The DOJ has been investigating Visa's business practices for several years. Shares of U.S. gambling giant L&W plummeted 19.5% today due to a ban on one of its products.